LagoFast versus ExitLag. Which one should you use? I'm going to tell you which game booster is better, LagoFast or ExitLag. ExitLag is a well-known choice among competitive gamers. It offers real-time route optimization, multipath connections, and support for over 300 games. It's particularly effective for reducing ping and stabilizing connections in games like Valorant, CSGO, and League of Legends. However, it comes with a monthly subscription fee and is primarily available on Windows. LagoFast, on the other hand, is a newer contender that combines game boosting with system optimization. It not only reduces ping, but also helps decrease lag spikes and frame drops by optimizing your PC's performance. LagoFast supports a wide range of games and offers a pay per minute pricing model, which can be more cost effective for casual gamers. Additionally, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Bottom line, if you're a competitive gamer seeking the most stable and optimized connection, Exit Lag is a solid choice. If you're a casual gamer looking for both network and system optimization with flexible pricing, LagoFast might be the better option. Choose the one that best fits your gaming needs and budget.